Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dog birthday cake. It is a cake that is safe for dogs to eat. It was recently my dog's birthday and I made her this cake and I would like to share it with you guys too. And I'll even show my dog eating the cake at the end of this video, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the peanut butter, canola or vegetable oil, egg, and now you only need half an egg in this recipe. So to do that, crack an egg into a small bowl and beat it really well using a fork to mix the yolk and white. And add half of it into the other bowl with all the ingredients. And add in the vanilla extract and the honey, which is optional, and whisk it together until they're combined. Then add in the grated carrots, wheat flour or all-purpose is fine, and baking soda, and mix them together until they're combined. Grease 2 ramekins with nonstick cooking spray. You can use any pan you like. And divide the batter evenly between each one. And bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your timing will vary depending on what pan you use. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool until cooled enough to handle. Then flip them onto a serving plate and let them cool completely. Then spread a little peanut butter on top of each one. And then top it with whatever you like. I'm using dog foods, but you can use treats if you like, or you can just leave it the way it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.